that life is sorted. Life is good.
You don't need me anymore.
Oh.
Our order from Amazon just came in and we are so excited to try this Fascial gun massage. So let's do the unboxing.
Okay, so here's how the packaging looks like, and it says here 6-level variable frequency vibration, and this product is best used for muscle massage after exercise. So now we are going to open the box, and inside the box you are going to see the gun itself, the massager gun, with 4 different accessories. The 4 different accessories consist of the big ball massage, which is best used for large muscle recovery. The second one is the flat warm-up dip, which can be used on your full body. The third one is the fork leg dip. It looks like a U-shape dip. And this is best used for spine massage. And last but not the least is the spiral head, which is good for the joints. So we bought this for relaxation. We just want to relax, and sometimes if you want to massage yourself on your own, you can do it, because this product lets you reach those points that sometimes are hard to reach. So it also comes with a charger, and yeah, that's it. Now we are going to try this product.
Chuck's daily activities are around playing games online and lying down in bed. So sir, according to my you know what? No, what do you call that when doctor says like yeah, not prescription. According to my
Evaluation.
yeah, according to my evaluation, your pain points are your lower back one.
Actually,
Which one? This one?
no, stop.
Which one?
Just
Back. Okay, let's start with your
Oh,
good, right?
that actually feels good. Oh, that actually feels good.
And you know, whenever we
Oh, these puppies, it feels
This
like
feels
it's
like-
stop. It feels stop. Stop. Please stop. Please stop that there.
so this is really good for your So, how do you feel about the first tool that we used? It's not bad. This is the camera, sir. This is the camera. Look like a camera. Okay.
Wait, did you use the flat one or the?
No, this is what we used.
Oh, okay.
Can you please review
It
that?
actually feels good. Like, it looks soft. Like, it just feels like you can squeeze it when it's not. But it's actually a really good one. I actually enjoyed this a lot.
Let's use the flat. This is meant to go.
Inside your bum.
Okay, now, sir.
Wait, can I fix this thing? Oh,
Okay.
wait, can yeah.
Yep.
Wait, I'm not the only guest, right?
Yeah, we have another guest. So this is used for. Let's use it here.
Oh, that feels good.
That's it.
That's it.
So please review our
Flathead.
flathead. Yeah.
If I'm gonna use this, I would rather use it on the legs because since it's flat, it doesn't feel good on the back of the shoulders and stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but that's basically it.
Okay. Thank you so much for being our guest for tonight.
I did not sign up for this.
And last guest for tonight. He doesn't have any option but to choose the remaining 1 and 3rd. So this is the third tool, inserted, right? Like a nail, and this is being inserted in holes. Come here, sir. Let's all welcome Raul Kabaldi. Come.
What your turn?
I don't have a turn. So, please lie down.
Is there oil over here? If I can choose my oil, any kind of music.
You didn't sign up for an oil curd. So, we are going to try the hardest since
Wait.
you're... Tagabundok yata to eh. Dumi na pa ako. So, you have to insert it on your like...
Oh. It's actually good if you would just put more loving.
Put more dubbing.
Oh, you know what it is? For getting like those hard to reach corners that you can't reach with your hands, like it's really good.
Like where?
Like your feet in between your toes, and like really your muscles really good for you.
Okay. Very good. So, for our fourth tool, we are going to use... Sorry, what's happening? We are going to use... Whatever you call it. Go.
What is it? Confused.
So, sir, what are your usual activities? Put your hands like that. Spread your wings up high.
Ouch.
What are your usual activities, sir?
Running away from you, fighting with you, wrestling with you. Oh,
Sir, we can't find your backbones.
oh that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that's good. Okay, lower. Oh.
Oh, you're so dramatic. Don't put it there. Don't put it near your heart. Tama, don't put it. Okay. That's it for this Fascial gun massage that he bought in Amazon. It's worth it because you can really, like, you know, you can go to the points where you can't even reach and you'll be very independent. Bye guys!